Lacasa works with individuals and community partners to create opportunity for personal empowerment, family stability, and neighborhood vitality. And we serve housing needs in Elkhart and Goshen, and we really work at the building opportunities for individuals and families in our communities. So today Keystone is working on a couple of our more recently acquired rundown properties. And these properties just need a lot of work. They need the insides torn out, the outsides fixed up, and Keystone is getting in there and digging in and helping us with that physical work. That, you know, we've got teams who are working on it, but it's always amazing to have groups like Keystone to come in and lend a hand and just help us progress much quicker.